Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix you were kicked from session by BattlEye in GTA 5. So it's very easy. First up, you need to open up your Rockstar launcher wherever you are playing GTA. So right over here, you'll be on the main interface. Right over here, what you have to do is just go to the Rockstar, go to settings right over here. Inside it, go to general settings and make sure that you have this option right here, and it says BattlEye and it says enable BattlEye anti-cheat in supported titles, which may be required for online play. So if you're playing online, you keep on getting kicked, what you need to do is just disable it for now. Once you do that, you got to close this Rockstar, then you need to go to Task Manager. Just to make sure that Rockstar or any Rockstar related isn't running, go to your Task Manager and end all of those tasks. Once you do this, open up your CMD, run as administrator, and type in scdelete be service. This will fix the recurring issue that you currently have, being kicked by BattlEye, and verify the integrity of files. If this video helped you, please leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.